My beautiful daughter Lauren will now demonstrate her meal, which is what's roast lamb, isn't it, Lauren? Roast lamb. How's that? And what did Jim Jam get? Jamie's not here at the moment, but we'll show you his face. Gammon and egg. And I got the pork. That's a belly of pork with red cabbage and gravy on a bed of mashed potatoes. So we're all gonna tuck in. What do you rate to that, Jamie?
Decent, mate.
Awesome. That's my son-in-law, Jamie, and he's got himself gammon and eggs. Super. Right, forgive us now, boys and girls. Excellent. If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you would like to follow my channel, please subscribe and be sure to click the bell icon to receive notification of all my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.